In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do PM Rebuild Replit 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know how to trigger a rebuild of native Node.js modules in a Replit project and what to do if your workspace uses pnpm instead of npm. First, open your browser and head to replit.com. Once you're on your workspace dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Create Something New. This opens a fresh project. You can keep the defaults or pick a Node.js template. The key is to get into a project shell where you can run commands. With the project open, find the shell or console panel at the bottom. Click into it, type npm rebuild, and press enter. This command asks Node's package manager to rebuild any native modules your dependencies rely on, things like Node.js, compiled add-ons that may need to match the current environment or Node version. As the command runs, you'll see output appear. In many Replit templates, you might get a message explaining that the project uses pnpm as its package manager. In that case, npm rebuild won't run here. The equivalent command is pnpm rebuild. If you're prompted to switch, simply confirm and let Replit run pnpm rebuild for you. Alternatively, you can type pnpm rebuild yourself and press enter. Make sure the command is typed exactly as shown to avoid errors. After you respond, give it a moment. You may notice Replit indicating that it's generating or deciding on the next command. That's normal. The tool is setting up the right context and resolving dependency metadata before it proceeds. Wait a few seconds while the process completes. When everything finishes successfully, you'll see a confirmation that pnpm rebuild completed, often noting that no native modules needed recompilation. That just means your dependencies were already compatible with the current environment. If you did have native modules, this step would recompile them, so builds and runtime errors tied to mismatched binaries go away. Either way, you validated your project's modules and ensured your environment is consistent. That's it. You went to Replit, created a new project, ran npm rebuild, handled the pnpm equivalent when prompted, responded to the prompt, and waited for Replit to complete the task. You now know the quick path to rebuilding native modules in Replit in 2026. If you run into issues, double-check the command and your package manager, then rerun the rebuild. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.